Today's guest of honor, Shri P. Krishna Rao, the President, CREDAI, Shri V. Rajshekhar Reddy, General Secretary, CREDAI, Shri Chalapati Rao, President, TRADA, Shri C. Prabhakar Rao, President, Telangana Builders Federation, other esteemed guests of the various builders in Hyderabad city and members of my SBI team present here this evening. A very warm welcome and a very good evening to all of you for giving to State Bank to host this meeting. Hyderabad, the Nizamon ka Sheher. It has always been an important city historically, even before Nizams, after Nizams, before independence, after independence also. And that is why, even after independence, a lot of apex government level, government institutes of various level, various scientific institutions, the Administrative Staff College of India, so many institutions were set up here in Hyderabad. For State Bank also, this has been an important city, and various apex training institutes of State Bank have been in this city for so long. We have three institutes, in fact: our staff college, our rural development staff college, and our information technology college also. So when I joined State Bank in 1991, I got several opportunities, 91 onwards, to visit this city, and I have been seeing the progress the city is making. In the 90s, when we came to our SBIRD, what we call State Bank Institute of Rural Development, which is in Gauchibowli area, that used to be so out of city that people coming to Hyderabad used to say that we are not going to Hyderabad because we don't get to see Hyderabad. Once you are in that institute, you are confined to that place. It was all rural setting and all. And now after joining here, Hyderabad Circle in July, when I went to that institute, it is surrounded by all the beautiful buildings. It is looking like a skyline of Manhattan or Chicago or Los Angeles. And that has been possible only because of the hard work that all of you, all the builders of Hyderabad, have put in this city. So congratulations and thanks for transforming the face of this city over last 2.5 decades. And this has really rewarded the city in a lot of ways. The recent study by Knight Frank, a world-renowned real estate advisory firm, has ranked Hyderabad to be the #1 city in realty market in India. And that is all again possible, all because of the hard work being put in by all of you. Once upon a time, Bangalore was the realty market to be in India. Mumbai, with all costly apartments and all. But to overtake all of them and be #1, that deserves some big hand of appreciation. State Bank, as you know, has been very active for almost a decade now in retail loans, and especially the housing loan market is now being dominated by State Bank thanks to the support extended by all of you. Once upon a time, our competitors were there in the market. They used to be #1. Whenever housing development was considered, it was our competitor which was supposed to be #1. Over a period of last decade, our portfolio has grown manifold. That is because of the product competitiveness that we offer, the processing speed that we offer, the interest rates that we offer, and the support that you offer to State Bank of India. So again, a big thank you for all this support. As you must be aware, most of you must be aware, we have 9 processing centers exclusively dealing for housing finance in this city, spread over various areas. These outfits are specialized outfits dealing only in home loan, and because of these outfits, we are able to reach every nook and corner of Hyderabad city and provide timely and fast service. Because of these things, now Hyderabad Circle of State Bank of India is considered the fastest growing housing market in India also. We now have a portfolio of 41,000 crores of housing loans in Telangana state. And most of that, of course, is concentrated in Hyderabad, other than some of the smaller centers like Warangal and Nizamabad also. And this has been possible only because of the support that all of you are extending. State Bank of India always responds to the market demands, market needs. And in response to that need, in response to the competition being offered, and in response to the liquidity available in the market, recently we have reduced our interest rates further and linked it directly to the credit score. Earlier there was a demand, we had a differential rate of interest for loans up to 30 lakhs and above 30 lakhs. It was linked to the amount also. But removing that thing, we have recently changed our criteria, and now it is directly linked to the credit profile of the borrower. And at 6.70%, it is one of the lowest, if not the lowest market rate available today. So with these competitive rates and the festival season that has already started, in fact, with the Ganesh Chaturthi and will continue till the New Year with the Dussehra, Diwali and Christmas falling in between, we hope that your sales will further improve, and with your support, our portfolio will also improve. The market has undergone a change in last 1.5 years because of the pandemic. It has been a tough period for everybody, not only in India but world over. It has changed the way people work, people live, but in that also, it has thrown up a different kind of opportunities also for everybody. And especially the work from home scenario has changed how people work and how people live. Now most of the workers who are working from home, they are looking for bigger houses, a house with some kind of work space also. So the kind of needs in the housing segment has also changed. And the way you people are responding with the changed product offering, I am sure the business is only going to increase. So we are here ready to cater to all the demands of the market. And with your products, I am sure that our cooperation will be a win-win situation for all of us, and both of us will grow and provide satisfaction to the customer. Thank you all for sparing the time. I'll stop here and give others also a chance to share their thoughts. And then, of course, I will welcome the feedback from all of you that how to improve our services. Because whatever best we can do, there is always scope for improvement. And for that, we will need your feedback and we will welcome your feedback. Thank you all once again. Have a good evening with us this evening. Thank you.